Hi everyone, M here. Today's video is all about this ball gown style miniature prom dress. It is pink, it is cute, and let me show you how I made it. Alright, as usual, I am reusing fabric from old clothes. We have a pink satin fabric and a light pink netted fabric. We're going to combine the two and sew a very rough line of thread through the top. And then we're basically going to take the thread from one end and pull it to create this ruffled, flowy look to the skirt of the dress. Then I'm going to take another scrap fabric and make the waistband of the dress. So we're going to sew it onto the top of our skirt, right side to the right side, and make sure to cut out all the extra fabric that I don't need. Okay, we're moving on to the top of the dress. I just used this width of the skirt to measure out the width of the top. But it ended up being too big, so I had to re-sew a line through the back of the top, as you can see here. And then I just cut the original thread out. And that's what our top looks like. Before sewing it onto the skirt, I decided to add a little string using the netted fabric to the collar of the top so that I can use it to tie around the neck. Okay, I'm almost done. Just going to take the skirt of the dress and then sew it onto the top of the dress. And last but not least, we are going to close our skirt by sewing it at the back. And that's what our dress looks like. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this is actually a prom dress for our paper model, JJ. So she's graduating high school. This is where my imagination took me. She's graduating high school. She's going to prom wearing this fluffy, cute pink dress. And then afterwards, she's gonna go off to college and study interior design. Alright, that's it for this video. Let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!